Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11E and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down and find apps. Then let's tap on all apps and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset app preferences, and here our device is informing us what it will reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and wait until this operation will be accomplished or finished. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.